So in this video, we're going to dive deep into why online fitness coaching is so profitable and uncovering why these coaches are basically rolling in the dough, making a substantial amount of income and money while providing value and helping other people. So stay tuned while we explore the key factors behind online fitness coaches' financial success. So the big question is, why is online coaching so profitable? So simply put, it's all about accessibility and convenience. Think about it, right? People can access tailored workouts and guidance from comfort of their homes and can reach their global audience without geographical restrictions, which I think is a big reason why it's been so profitable, is because online coaches have a bigger reach utilizing their social media, which brings me to the next thing about social media, technological tools that I think has undoubtedly played a massive role in this industry growth. With your use of your smartphone, fitness app, and viral training, coaches can connect with clients in real time, helping them stay motivated and accountable. One of the big reasons why fitness coaching, online fitness coaching has really skyrocketed over the last 3 years was, one, if you guys remember 3 years ago, we had the global pandemic, everybody went remote, gyms were closed, and what that allowed a lot of fitness coaches to do while people were gaining weight, people were motivated, was for them to stay in shape, for them to come up with savvy ways where they can still train you while helping you meet your fitness goals without being in a gym. And I think that was key and essential to their success, was that people were home, fitness coaches were tailoring different workout programs. They can stay connected with them, hold them accountable, and it worked, and it fucking worked. And the more clients you get, the more people you help and utilize social media, showing how you've helped people and share your success stories, you could definitely grow in your clientele, right? So let's look at what some of these online fitness programs look like. So they often include detailed workout plans, nutritional guidance, and consistent communication between the coach and the client. And what a lot of clients are telling people, and again, I am a mentor, I do one-on-one coaching too, and what a lot of people like is the flexibility, and they can choose when and where they work out and make it fit and adapt their schedule. And I think that level of support and guidance that clients receive from online coaches have been more so invaluable while they're helping their clients get results. So let's analyze the business model, right? So think about it, right? If you was an online fitness coach, let's say you got 20 clients paying you $100 a week, right? That's $2,000 a week. Times that by 52, that's over $100,000. That's about $104,000, right? So think about that. As an online fitness coach, all you need to do is get 20 clients to pay you, or let's say it's 25 or 15. As long as you're getting them a weekly payment, and then you're able to get them results, you can make a six figures as you stay consistent with those clients. And if you can implement and create a system in terms of utilizing a system and tools to make sure you hold your clients accountable and create tailor-made workout plans and nutritional guides for them, and they actually follow and see the results, you could utilize that success on your social media to eventually build your brand. And that's why this field is blowing up, because think about it, 70% of Americans are fat, obese, overweight, and out of shape. That's a lot. Like, when you look at how many people in America, most of us is fat fuck. So if most people are fat fuck and they trying to lose weight, and comparable to the people that are in shape, there are limitless responsibilities. But the key factor in this, which I think is important, is that it's all about how you niche down. It is different from being a generalist and a specialist, right? All you have to do is niche down. Remember what I said earlier, getting a certain amount of clients to pay you a certain amount of money each week. Only need a certain amount. So what you need to do is you need to become specialist in the fitness area where you specialize targeting a certain market, right? For an example, let's say I'm 40 years old, right? And you guys know my brand is Wealth and Fitness Lifestyle. And I'm going to utilize this model that I've learned from other fitness influencers and coaches out there, in 2024, when I really start building the fitness brand of my business, right? And my niche that I want to do is I want to focus on helping men lose weight and achieve their fitness goals and get in the best shape of their fucking life, that are 40 and over men. And I'm niching down to that specific audience because you don't need 100, 2,000, 200,000 followers. All you need is to specifically help a certain amount of people, and you give value, and you work on your presentation, work on your skill set and your delivery, and you can get clients that way. And what you really need to focus on for yourself, and this is something I'm focusing focusing on myself is having an above average physique and having a story that's going to tailor to the target audience that you have. And that's going to be the most important factor in you actually being a part of this phenomenon of online fitness coaching. And a lot of times when you see a lot of fitness enthusiasts on Instagram, you see the ads, you see them working out, and you see, I can help you do this and do that. It's true, man. It is. I'm not going to hold you. It is true, because you know how many people, and I'm not even in the best shape of my life. I mean, I've lost weight, got in the best shape of my life, got my physique up, and I'm kind of not where I want to be. That's why I'm really focusing on building my physique so I can launch my fitness brand. So people, and I'm gonna come out with a story of how, with my weight loss journey, but I'm going to utilize that story to gain clients. But I want to specifically target men over 40, because I think that is a specific area and a specific target market that might be untapped, and I want to tap that. And I think I could be influential, and I could be inspirational and give value, being someone over 40 who lost a lot of weight, who's gotten in the best shape, had different setbacks, dieted, and I know what kind of works, and I want to help men my age. So some key factors in this is in brand and marketing for that is having a strong online presence, and effective marketing strategy is going to be key. So one thing I've seen about a lot of these influencers, they understand how to build a personal brand and leverage social media to create content that resonate with their specific target audience, right? And then when you analyze the business model, like I shared with you guys, fitness coaches often use a subscription-based service, ensuring consistent income. Remember my example, get 20 clients paying you $100 a week, that's $2,000 a week, that's $104,000 a year. So they build their business model based upon a subscription-based model. I think that this is going to be the next level going into 2024. You guys going to definitely see a big boom. I think we saw it this year, and it's just going to increase because people are getting fatter and fatter, and you know what, it's an untapped market where you can make money. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know, all you fitness influencers out there, coaches out there, what are some suggestions you have for people that's trying to become online fitness coaches and really make some money out here. But the main factor in making money, don't worry about the making the money, worry about how you're going to build a business model that's going to help people and give value to people, and help people get off their fat ass and work out and lose weight, have success stories so they can share that you were the person that helped them. Let's get fit, let's gain wealth, let's improve our lifestyle.